थोडीशी मराठी येते तुम्हाला बोलायला. All in Pune, what we normally say is that a very warm welcome to you, Salman Khan. A very warm welcome to you, Daisy Shah. I request you to kindly take a seat. Very warm welcome to Guru Randhawa. Ladies and gentlemen, a little louder, please. Manish Paul, a very warm welcome to you. Welcome to Pune. Prabhudeva sir, vanakkam. A very warm welcome to you. Oh wow, we have a very gorgeous actress and a very superb dancer, Sonakshi Sinha. A very warm welcome to you. No, can you have the mics on, please? So I'll just put it on for you.
Good evening.
I would also like to invite our dignitaries, Four Pillar se Sameer Pawani ji, and would also like to welcome Sunil Agarwal from the Nirman Group. So it is the Bang the Tour Pune, ladies and gentlemen. Punekars have been eagerly waiting for this moment. Today is the day, today's evening, Punekars are going to witness a fabulous Bollywood level concert for the very first time that is taking place in Pune. So, Kasakai.
तुम्ही कशा आहे?
बिझी आहे.
मला एक कॉफी पाहिजे.
Salman sir, साठी coffee, please.
हो, कोणा सांगा ना.
सांगते.
लवकर.
कसं वाटतं तुम्हाला पुण्याला येऊन?
बरं, छान वाटतं मला.
I would also like to invite Mr. Rakesh ji from Sakar, who is our associate partner. Gentlemen, please welcome the Tigress of Bollywood, Katrina Kaif, on stage, please.
Tiger is the biggest superstar.
Very warm welcome to you, Katrina. Welcome to Pune. So, Katrina, we've been welcoming everyone in Pune style. Kasakai, Bara Hai. That's all you have to say for us. Please take a seat. I would request everyone to kindly take a seat. Sohil sir, over to you.
What keeps the audience entertained. So I think after a good 15-20 shows, we're coming to Pune. So there's a lot edited, reworked on. It's a very fast-paced show, and with the interaction, it should be over in 3 hours' time. And there's a lot for all the artists to perform, because they have a history of great songs which they'll be performing on. And it's a fast-paced show, so yeah, it'll be a good, exciting dhamal of a show.
Thank you so much, Sohail Khan. Well, there's a lot more that we want to experience. We want to know how has been your experience being a part of the Bang Tour till now. Manish Paul, would you like to please take it over?
हाय हाय अच्छा मुझे देख के माइक भी बंद हो जाता है मुझे अभी पता चला हाय हाउ आर यू फर्स्टली थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू परफॉर्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ द एंटायर audience of Pune, and till now we've got a wonderful response and expecting the same here. Sweetie, it's your turn now.
Thank you, Manish.
मैं actually थोड़ा control में हुआ मेरी lower back थोड़ी सी परेशान करी. अरे आपके सामने अच्छे खासे आदमी की बोलती बंद हो चाहिए माइक बंद हुआ है इसमें बोलो
भाई बैठ जाओ कमेंट में तकलीफ है.
सर मैं माइक देने आ रहा था
शो करना रात को.
नहीं सर मैं माइक नहीं मेरी हिम्मत हाँ so I think मैंने जो बोलना था बोल लिया.
Thank you so much, Manish.
बाकी मैं शाम में definitely.
Welcome to Pune.
Thank you so much. What's your phone number? Yeah, it's fine.
Katrina Kaif, would you like to share your experience? This is the first
Come on,
time
Tigress.
that you will be a part of the Bang the Tour, that too in Pune.
मैं आके देता हूँ. सर मुझे बुलाया मैं खुद नहीं आया.
He was not giving, huh?
मेरी जिंदगी में ऐसे ही होता है. मौका नहीं वही वाले मैं बोलूँ.
No,
I'm extremely happy to be joining the show. I think it's looking amazing. I've seen a lot of the performances they've done. The Delhi show was absolutely fantastic, and it's been a long time since I've come to Pune. I don't think I've ever done a live show in Pune before, so really looking forward to the crowd tonight and hopefully a great energy from the stadium.
We all are looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Katrina. Salman sir, would you like to please share your experience? The Bang the Tour.
I don't need a mic.
सर मैं माइक दे दूं सर?
नहीं सर, आप अपना mic अपने पास रखो. So we started these tours abroad, and they did really well. And then I had this idea, our whole team had this idea that we should do them in India, and for our fans here. And so we've done one where? Sohail?
Delhi.
We've done one Delhi, and then we have, this is the second one here, and we're trying to do as many shows in India for all our fans. So I think it's a great package. It's a lot of, there's a lot of energy here, and everyone gets along with everyone, and the songs are really amazing. The performances are spectacular. We just have this one host which does not performing well, but today I hope he does a good job, and his name is Manish Paul. So we're trying our best, and then we have, you know, the most beautiful girls in the industry working on the Bang Tour. We have one of the most handsome guys in the industry, Prabhu Deva, also on our tour. He's trying his best to dance. Seriously, he's trying to really, you know, match up to my standards. And we're having a great time. So everyone's performing with each other. Ani bas, एक साथ. फक्त हे साथ.
Dhanyawad, sir. Prabhu Deva, sir, I know you are a man with very few words. Would you like to share your experience throughout?
Good afternoon. The experience was very good and wonderful.
Sir,
He's done.
little
He's done
more. Little more.
No, I mean, the experience was great and wonderful, and as Sir says, and it will be a very energetic and colorful event.
This is the most he's said in any press conference.
Finally, I've done something different. Sonakshi ji, would you like to share your experience being a part of?
I've just been having a blast actually. The way this tour has taken off, I mean, the kind of response that we've got outside of the country, within the country in Delhi, and now in Pune. I mean, so many of you are here. I can't wait to see the turnout in the evening, and it doesn't even feel like work. We are all just having such a blast on stage. The entire team has done such a fabulous setup and, you know, put this show together for us. And we as artists have just enjoyed performing with each other. So it's always something that I look forward to, and I'm so happy to be a part of it.
And we know that you love dancing on stage.
Yes, I do.
Whenever, anytime, we know that.
So if you think she's dancing for the audience, you're wrong. She's dancing for herself, which is the best part.
So we just had a word with the bunk lady over here, Daisy Shah. Came Cho.
Sorry, I'll just check it.
That's okay. मजामा पुणे कसे आहात तुम्ही? मी प्रयत्न करते मराठीत बोलायला.
Wow, that's fabulous.
Thank you. We have got a lot of love from abroad and yes, Delhi, and we are really looking forward to perform for all the Punekars here. आम्ही खूपच एक्साइटेड आहेत तुमच्यासाठी परफॉर्म करायला आणि भेटूया संध्याकाळी.
खूपच छान मराठी बोलता तुम्ही.
थँक्यू.
थँक्यू डेझी. गुरु रंधावा,
मराठी छान नाही आहे काय?
तुमची खूप चांगली आहे. लई भारी आहे.
महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे.
No. Yes, sir, we know that. लई भारी मराठी आहे, definitely. Guru Randhawa, Banja Tu Meri Rani. We've been listening to it and we've been falling in love with it. How is your experience being a part of the Bang the Tour?
This is my first ever show with Salman sir and team, and मैं थैंक यू करता हूँ द बैंग टीम का मुझे इस शो का पार्ट बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने इतने बड़े स्टेज पे शो अभी तक नहीं करा. सो दिस विल माय फर्स्ट एवर शो. with the amazing team. So thank you so much.
You will rock it, no wonder about it. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Bang the Tour team in front of you all. Can you please have a huge round of applause once again?